Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome everyone, and welcome Nexo. This is a speaking class to practice speaking.
Hi, Emma. I am ready to speak a little more today.
Great. Today we practice things from earlier lessons, small objects and possessive adjectives, using 3 exercises. First, shadowing helps you listen and repeat with clear rhythm. Next, read aloud helps you say a short text with confidence. Finally, describe the picture helps you use simple words to talk about what you see.
That sounds good. Short steps help me feel ready.
Exactly. Nexo, let us start with shadowing. Shadowing. In shadowing, listen and repeat after each phrase.
Okay, I will listen first, then repeat.
My key is here. Your coin is small. His pen is blue. Her pencil is new. Our phone is on the table. Their watch is old. My cup is clean. Its button is red. Your ring is pretty. His toy is in the box. Her card is yellow. My pencil is next to my pen. Their phone is on the chair. Our box is open. I have my key. She has her watch. Read aloud. Good work with shadowing. Now, in Read Aloud, Nexo will read the text first, and then you should pause the video and read aloud slowly.
I am ready. I will read clearly. This morning, I look in my small box. My key, a coin, and a pen are inside. I take my phone and my watch, too. Then I put the box on our table. My sister sees her ring near a cup. She smiles and says its color is nice.
Nice reading, Nexo. You did very well.
Thank you, Emma. The text was short and clear.
Now it is your turn. Pause the video and read the text aloud. Describe the picture. Well done, everyone. Now, describe the picture. Look at the image and describe what you see, using the words shown and the grammar we studied.
I can try first.
Perfect. Nexo will try now, and after that, it will be your turn.
I see a small table in a bright room. On the table, there's a blue cup, a phone, and a small box. The box is open and its button is on the floor. A girl has her pencil and her pen next to a card. A boy holds his toy car. Near his hand, there is a key, a coin, a watch, and a ring. Their things are neat and easy to see. That was fun. I used short sentences.
Now it is your turn. Pause the video and describe the image your way, using the words shown. Do not make it complicated. Use short, simple sentences. Key is on the table. Cup, the cup is blue. Little by little, you will do it better.